dear parents, if there's anything your child doesn't like about their eyes, their nose, their lips, their ears, fix it. Anything that a doctor can fix it. If your child has an eye like my daughter, please fix it. If umntana khona amehlo phambili, please fix them. Ayalungiseka. Yabo lento kuthiwa umntwana makanento so kuthiwa lo mntwana uphiwa abantu abadala, umntwana unesipho. So ngitshela ukuthi wena umuntu onesipho mele abe nento ehlekwa abanye abantu. Fix it. Aba doctor manje yay benza izinto esingazi understand, guys. You won't regret it. Yeah, there are moments where I would feel like defending her, especially when we go to restaurants and stuff like that. But because Yana, she used to stand up for herself. But imagine what it did to her. Because of Yala Akatala Kon. Bazali, fix it. It doesn't mean go to Melumbe Ube Nimali, because when my comments, but they can fix my public hospitals, get the information and fix it. There's a certain age there's a certain age ongasalungisi khona. So mntana makazalana amehlo phambili, attend to that. Like, get a doctor, Google yenza yonke lento. Mina uLiana uyenze eSenton Intercare Hospital by Dr. Esvat. So please make sure you fix that. Liana, how do you feel since you fixed your eye? Guys, you don't want to miss that. Please fix it. And normally ngabuyela futhi lihle lungisa. God. Don't give up.
Kancinci girl realizes that man ayikho lento yabantu abadala / amadlozi / ancestors where they say your child is gifted, they are special, they are the chosen ones, that's why they have to be different. But ubon bana they are given something that will turn them into a laughing stock. Uti, yay, do not listen to that rubbish. Go fix it. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. Today we're talking about Gogos Koteni. Yes, the one and only, with all the twists and turns in her life. Her latest move, she's telling Abazali straight up to fix whatever their kids don't like. This is after her daughter had an eye surgery, and Koteni is not holding back the message, which I feel like is important for all parents to hear. So recently, Gogos Koteni shared that her daughter had surgery, one that fixes a droopy eyelid, a lazy eye, whatever you want to call it, and she posted the results, and shame whoever did the job did a good job. She's so cute. She's always been a very beautiful young girl. The results are amazing. So kudos to Gogos Koteni for doing what needed to be done for her child, for her own confidence as well. Some parents will wait, some will ignore what little things bother their kids. This reminds me of teachings from Christian parents that God doesn't make mistakes. Fixing what God created is like saying to him that he didn't do it right. You know, things like that. The only problem is parents yesu sogqiba baba ignorant sogqiba babina mali uthi usikhotheni kuni. You don't need to make excuses anymore. Even if you don't have money, there are places where you can do these things for free. I understand that there are things that you just need to build your child's confidence to be okay with the things, like being taller than your peers, one is pongo, like, come on. But amazinyo kabileo, guys, lazy eyes, anything you can do for your child that affects their health, their confidence, do it. And honestly, I am here for this, because how many times have we seen our children suffer in silence while parents say, you're fine, umhle unjalo, you are. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.